Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to Na!
Ja, divno. Ja,
Das ist sad.
So that's so sad.
ja.
Okay. Okay, blow the candle, Nona. Leo, don't blow. It's Nona's for Nona. No, baby, no, please. Okay. Wish. Wish, Nona, wish. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
One by one kiss muna.
Jao, kako ste mi? Jao, kako ste mi? Kako ste mi?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, go, let's go.
Because
they prepare
for the for the breakfast. Okay.
Where are my paintings?
Ciao, that's all. Ciao.
What painting here? Ka.
Ciao.
I will give you there.
No, you can come there. You can come.
Yes.
You can go.
Okay.
You can come here, okay?
Okay, let's go now. Let's go now,
She's
Mila.
gonna eat the cake in the morning when she wakes up. Okay. She says she wants to sleep a little bit.
But she said she would come now.
Ito po, ginising namin siya ng maaga. Actually, hindi siya nagigising ng maaga. Ngayon lang siya nagising. Kasi nga birthday niya. Wala kasi yung nanay niya. So, kami na lang ang... Yung anak pala niya, sorry. Yung anak pala niya, wala siya dito. Nasa New York. Parating pa lang. So, kami na lang ang gumawa ng surprise sa kanya. Nanay po ng amo ko to.
Thank you. Yao. Yao.
Yeah.
Paparazzi.
Okay. You get your.
You give to Nana, so we take a photo. No.
Gawa ng apo niya.
Yao. Hvala.
Nana, you go in your place to sit.
Oša, vasač.
Hurry, it's too late.
Sorry. No, I want the lemon tart cake.
Yao, divno.
Nana, you can you sit there for a moment?
Mogu, okay. Čekaj, neću ovo da stavim.
You hold that place there.
Dobro, čekaj. Volim te. Najviše na svetu, ti si najbolja nona, nema bolje none od tebe, divno, divno. Jo.
Nana, can you sit please here?
Yes.
No, just hold it, Nuna.
Just to sit a little time.
Happy birthday. Pa gde ste to nabavili?
Vidi dala, kaže Nona.
Look,
Jao,
look at your name.
jao.
Okay, sit a little. And this is my present.
Jao,
And this is Marlene's present.
Enjoy. Make it
Enjoy
for
with
you.
the cake and the...
divno.
Yeah.
Dođite u moj leo.
Go there, go.
Picturean mo sila.
Look at the slatki.
Wow.
Ito po yung mga apo niya.
At
saka ito.
lemon tart cake.
Sad ću da vidim.
Okay, go.
Samo da